G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to CDP Outdoors. What I'm going to show you today is the Bugaboo 70+10 backpack from Blackwolf. Now before we get into it, this is not the new model, this is the older model. Still very good. Made out of good material. This has lasted me so far, let's work it out, I think I bought it about 10 years ago. Yeah, around about 8 to 10 years ago I bought this one. It's been out on a few walks through the bush. The last time it was used we took it out for a 5-day bush walk. The 70-10 means it's a 70 litre backpack with an further 10 litres with expansion. And where we get that expansion from is the lid is one of them. We can undo the straps here, loosen them off. And that allows us to lift the height of the lid so we can allow space for more gear. Or you could just easily lift that up and throw a tent in there, your sleep mat, or just your rain jacket. And the second part to the lid extension is here. We have first of all the draw cord, which is the 70 litre section, and when we want to add that extra 10 litres, there's a second which brings us up even higher with its own draw cord, and we can lock down, and there's the first part of the extra 10 litres. The second part of the expansion is on the side pockets. We have two. Have the one on this side, which is a substantial size, and it doesn't really push into the pack, it expands out away from the pack, so you're getting some true extra storage space. And we have got two compression straps on this side, and we'll have the same on the opposite side, which we can just give a tug. And again on this side we have the two compression straps holding the expansion pocket. And again, this one works the same as the other one. Plenty of extra space there. I could probably fit my lightweight tent in there. And like I said, the same as the other side. We have the compression straps. Now let's go back to the lid. The first zip we have at the bottom is for the rain cover. There's room in there for you to store other stuff with it if you want. Could even fit your raincoat in there. And we have a second pocket to store things in, like I got the tripod parts for my monopod camera, my firelighter, coffee, and that is fair size. And we have key holder also inside, so you can always get hold of your keys at any time. And then on the inside we have another pocket, and this one I normally use to store my first aid kit in. Again, plenty of room in there for a first aid kit or anything else you want to use it for. Let's tighten them back up. On either side we have pockets at the bottom. That's a tall 750ml water bottle, and it's nice and secure. You could probably fit your Nalgene in there, the 1 litre. And like I said, we have the same on this side. And if you use a hydration bladder, you have a hydration port coming out of here, and a designated bucket on the inside, which is more than big enough to hold a 3 litre water bladder in. Now let's go to the storage part, the main one. We have access at the bottom here. You can keep your sleeping bag in there. At the moment I've got the ED under blanket, which is actually bigger than my sleeping bag and it's not compressed down. And we have a divider between the bottom section and the main section with a draw cord. All the cords on this, they look like they've got reflective in them. Good strong cords, not the lightest, but very strong. And we've got the draw cord on, lock on it, cord lock. So we can undo that and have this as a whole single section. Main section, we still have plenty of room in here. We can undo all the compression straps. I just threw a few little bits in here to give you an idea of the size. First thing, med kit. Jet oil. DD frontline hammock. DD 3x3 tarp. Bushman insect repellent. And that's what I put in there, and that took up about half of the pack. There's plenty of room in there, so that goes all the way down to the bottom section where the divider is at the moment. So we've got the draw cord. We also have a compression strap. Big back, and more compression straps to hold the lid down, all adjustable. We have your walking pole holder, which goes down to a loop at the bottom. And we have the same on this side, another walking pole holder going down to another loop. We've got some plastic D-rings on the bottom of the pack, so if you wanted to latch anything to your pack, you could. Some more compression straps. So again, if you wanted to carry your sleep mat, you can actually strap it in place with these two compression straps and have your mat go through here. You have the reflective loops coming all the way down here, so you can lash anything to it, put some carabiners through, carry your mess kit on the outside. We've got reflectors coming all the way down the sides. So if you're going to be walking down the roads at night and there's cars coming, these reflectors, they'll glow up pretty well. Now going to the harness, they call it the Ergo Plus, and I do like this one. It's got plenty of good padding here. So it's about 2 inches deep, that is. Same on this side. The shoulder straps are about 1 inch thick, with D-rings on each. Chest strap with a whistle built in, which works. Your normal strap with the shoulder adjusters up here. Adjustable height. And what I do like about this, which I haven't seen on any of my other backpacks, is we can adjust it whilst we're walking, which is the same as another one, but we've got 2 separate adjusters, one on this side and one on this side. So if we packed our pack a little bit off centre, we can fine tune it to give us the same, that comfortable feeling. Which, like I said, I haven't got on any of my other backpacks, they're all single ones, which just brings it all up level, drops up and down. Lumbar support, again, it's a good 2 inches thick, very comfortable. The hip belt, that's about 1.5 to 2 inches thick. Some nice large buckles. Again, got the adjusters here. Pull the belt to where we want it to make it fit comfortable. It feels like it's an aluminium frame which just goes from here and it curves and goes back down to the other side. We've also got a frame coming up on the bottom behind each of these. It comes all the way up to the top. What more can I say about it is, I've used it quite often in the past. Still find it a very comfortable pack. Grab handle there. Very comfortable pack. No, it's not top of the range, but if you're after a pack and you're a beginner, you can pick something up like this. I'm about to put this up for sale on some of the local sites because I need to make some room in my storage room. So yeah, if you're a beginner, first time going out, and you're looking for a pack, there's one for you. And do the same as I've done. As you've bought new gear and your gear gets lighter and smaller, you can sell this on and buy yourself a smaller pack. It's made out of a ripstop nylon, water resistant but not waterproof, as you saw. We've got the rain cover on the top here. So don't go spending a lot of money until you know you're going to enjoy this. I do. I'm addicted to hiking now and bushwalking. So, there you go. The Blackwolf Bugaboo 70+10. There is an upgraded version of this, slightly lighter, with gel shoulder straps. But I've tried it on, I've walked with it, and I still prefer the older one. More comfortable, I think, for me. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. And if it's your first time watching any of my videos and you've enjoyed it, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell beside of it, so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are a subscriber, I thank you. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.